This is a demonstration video for the application of computer vision in autonomous driving. Using YOLO v3 and OpenCV, a live navigation map is created from dashcam feed as input. Already trained YOLO v3 weights, configuration and labels files have been downloaded and used here. As we can see here, the YOLO is detecting objects, which in this case are cars. It can also detect pedestrians. The symbol here is a driving car, and on the left a car is overtaking right now. On the navigation map, cars can be seen on their respective lanes and at scale distance. This video is actually 4 times speed up video. We can also see some cars on other side of the road being detected and appearing on the navigation map, but they are not relevant for navigation in this case. In case there is no divider in between, the vehicles will be detected properly and appear on correct position on the navigation map. The YOLO model used has 80 classes for detection, and most of those are not relevant for autonomous driving. The model can be modified, or a new model can be created with only the relevant objects, which can then be trained and applied for high FPS processing. The source code and all the relevant files including the video used are available on GitHub page.